Good morning, my great people. It's Mutiaro Kwaro, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I hope you are enjoying these relationship videos. Today, I'm going to discuss the indicators or signs of one-sided relationship. You are in a relationship, but it is not a two-way, it is a one-way relationship. How can you know if your relationship is one-sided? One, you initiate most communication. The other person just keep quiet. You are the one to do the talking. The other person listens. They don't even bother even to contribute or even to respond. You find that you initiate most intimacy in that relationship. That you spend a lot of time apologizing. You are the one who is apologizing. You spend a lot of time, every time apologizing. And then fourth, you often change your plans to accommodate their schedule. It's also, that shows one-sided relationship. Another point is that your efforts often are not reciprocated. You make efforts, but your partner does not reciprocate them. You find that you frequently make excuses for artful behavior. You are the only one who make excuses for hurting the other person. The other person does not see the need even if you are hurt. Then you are constantly worried they will leave. Every time you are worried that this person might disappear and leave you. That shows that this is a one-sided relationship. Then their goals are become your goals. So you find that you don't have your goals. You are only interested about your partner's goals. And then their needs are the focus of the relationship. Yours are not. That is a sign of a one-sided relationship. Then they often prioritize things over you. Their work, their hobbies, their friends. They don't care about you. Them, they are number one. Yours, they don't care. Then you consider the relationship when making plans about the future when they don't. When you are making plans about your future, you consider the relationship. But with them, when they are making their plans, they don't consider the relationship. So these are signs of a one-sided relationship. I am hoping that when you are in a relationship, use this marking scheme to check if you are in a one-sided relationship. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it's going to help you in your relationship journey. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.